Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for stopping by as well. I want to really appreciate you guys for, especially those that are returning to my channel. Trust me, I really appreciate you. Even though I do not know you one-on-one, but I really appreciate you. Another thing I also want to use this as an opportunity to say is I want you guys to be very active on my videos. Like when I post stuff, try to leave a comment, even if it's an emoji. Do you understand? So it makes me know and know that you guys are watching, because I got like some DMs, actually just one DM last week where somebody was saying, oh, she watches my videos but I don't know because she's a ghost follower. Please, I don't want ghost followers on my channel. I want you guys to be very active. Do you understand? Because that kind of energy also reflects on me. If the people that are leaving comments on my videos are very energetic, it makes me energetic as well. So just putting that out there. This is not to offend anyone or say you guys are not free to watch videos without commenting. It just builds that relationship with me if you leave comments, like, or even share with your friends, or even share on your social media. That aside, today's video I'm going to be doing a look. I noticed that you guys really enjoyed my makeup tutorials, and I know that I told you guys to leave comments in the last one that I did, but you guys didn't leave any comments. But the the views that I got were relatively good compared to the previous views that I've gotten on my previous makeup videos. So I have decided to start incorporating makeup tutorials, even though you people did not ask for it. It is doing well on my channel again, so I'm gonna bring it up. So try to be active on the videos. I'm gonna be recreating this makeup look. This is tailor made by Jane. She's a makeup artist on Instagram, makeup artist and a beauty influencer. Maybe not exactly the same thing, but just kind of like have my own twist to it. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see, but this is basically the concept that I have in mind. So because I don't want this video to be too long, I'm gonna do the one eye off camera and then come back and show you the other eye. Okay, because I'm not even sure how it's gonna look on me, so let's stick around. One eye, it actually looks okay. So to start off, I'm gonna be using the P. Louise base canvas in Romo 03. I'm going to be using the blue color, and I'll be tapping the excess off onto the cover and just putting this on my crease, outer corner. But I'm going to be forming like a C, so it's going to come underneath as well. So once that is on and placed properly, I'm just going to go ahead and gently start blending. Next, I'm going to apply the pink color. So I'm taking it outwards as well. Just dusting the excess off and then blending the inner corner. Next, I'm just going to go in with that blue and blend the edges where both colors meet, so it's not too harsh. I'm going to stretch my eye a little bit, just to make sure that we're not transferring any excess colors that we don't need. I'm going to use a clean brush. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that pink again to diffuse any blue that we must have mistakenly taken into the. So once that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and light a shimmery color like this one and just highlight my tear dot. So while highlighting, I'm gonna take it a bit corner of my nose, just so my eyelid is, looks elongated, so to say. Okay, so next I'm going to use a Maryann Okonkwo glitter glue and the glitter, and just tap. Where's the glitter? Just tapping all over the pink. And yeah, this is basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust off any fallouts that we might have, but before we do that, I'm just gonna use a white pencil and line my line. Oof, this is going to be so hard. This is basically the finished eye look and everything. One thing that we need to do, one last thing that we need to do to make sure that, you know, everything is all good and what's not, is to apply some lip form of any color of lipstick. So I'll be using the Maryann Okonkwo one, and this is in the shade Punk. So guys, this is the finished look. I did change the lip color because I wasn't feeling, I already told you guys I'm not a dark lips person. I used to be that kind of person before when I was still learning makeup, but now I just prefer to just play it safe, especially because there's so much going on my eyes already. I don't think there was a need for that dark lip, so I went and I swatched it to my signature ombre nude lips. I'm going to be uploading a detailed video on how to achieve these lips. Actually, I'm not going to be recording it because I actually have a long clip where I did like the full progress, like the full video, because a lot of you guys have been asking me, like, I mean, a lot of you guys have been in my DMs asking me, what are you using, how did you do it, as if it's hard. But I'm just going to share with you guys on YouTube only. So that tutorial will not be on Instagram, it will only be on YouTube for my YouTube fam. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely like it a lot better with this nude lips. It just balances everything. So the eyes are like boom boom boom, and then the face, the lips just set back somehow, and I really like it that way. So I'm just gonna make my intro videos, take some more pictures, and I'll see you guys on Instagram.